The RazorThink AI OS enables you to take full control of the end-to-end AI lifecycle management. It provides you a simple and elegant platform which manages your AI processes and infrastructure. It also enables you to build enterprise-grade solutions for complex use cases rapidly via our full-fledged IDE, comprehensive Python SDK for seasoned data scientists, robust engines, and also provides additional features such as large-scale experimentation, governance and provenance, and version control. Let's look into our full-fledged IDE. A full-fledged IDE allows you to explore the data, visually build DL and ML models, create processing pipelines, and provision and troubleshoot engines, run experiments, view analytics, etc. So now let's look at the data explorer. If you have an in-house data lake like a HDFS or a S3, you can connect this to the platform through this module. You can not only view the files but also do CRUD operations, like you can update the files and delete them, and you can add new files to the data lake. Once you integrated your data lakes to the RZT OS, the next step is building a data wrangling pipeline or an end-to-end AI pipeline. That's where the visual pipeline builder comes into the place. You can read the data from the source, you can apply ETL transformations, you can apply ML or Python based transformations and connect the outputs to the model. All the basic building blocks etc. are available here with a simple drag and drop interface where you can simply drag a block and you can connect them to the other blocks. Are you a budding data scientist interested in deep learning? Are you having trouble coding for deep learning models? Look no further. RazorThink AI OS provides a drag and drop visual interface where users can build deep learning models easily. Not only you get all the basic building blocks of a deep learning model, you can also include some of the already pre-built models such as Inception or ResNet into your modeling pipeline. RazorThink SDK is engineered to empower people like you with immense flexibility while saving time and effort for efficiently crafting, testing and deploying enterprise AI solutions. We have inculcated Jupyter Lab into our AI OS, where a seasoned data scientist can come in, create a notebook and write his own code. And he can imitate the entire UI components which we have discussed before in the form of code, and he can create the pipelines and can run them both in the notebooks as well as in our robust engines. At the same time, the data scientist is enabled to view logs. He's also have access to view the metrics of the models, such as accuracy or the hardware metrics like CPU versus time, memory versus time, etc. RazorThink AI OS engines are seamlessly enabled infrastructure clusters that you can pre-reserve or spun on demand for executing your pipelines. This gives you a complete control of your cost structure and allows you to put in place appropriate authorization, data access, and cost control mechanisms to provision, use, and bring down infrastructure through a simple but powerful interface. Engine provisioning can be done on popular cloud infrastructures such as AWS, Azure, and GCE, but also other inexpensive cloud providers or your own private infrastructure such as E2E, etc. The experiment framework within RazorThink AI is what powers the ability of the data scientists to scale their efforts. An experiment is a parameterized pipeline that provides the ability to tune multiple parameters such as engineered features, model hyperparameters, structure, and preprocessing. It also enables a mechanism where you can compare multiple trials of an experiment and you can view their metrics, logs in a consolidated fashion so that you can take the best one out of it. At the same time, if you are worried about governance and you want to keep a close tab on all the models built and pipelines executed and the metrics and logs, RazorThink AI OS backs up the entire metrics, logs, model weights and biases through its model lifecycle manager and version control pieces, and it will allow the data science as well as the audit teams to retrieve any information at any given point of time. RazorThink AI OS not only makes the life easy for the data scientists but also enables rapid prototyping, building complex models, running large pipelines, collaboration and governance of AI solutions in a very elegant and incredibly easy way.